guys, the Manit AW90. We'll check that out. That's the surface grinder attachment. One day, when I start more playing around with the folders, I'm gonna give it a go. It's really cool, real good. You can even use it on a fixed blades. I don't need it for fixed blades, but there is definitely applications. You can do very easy hidden tanks. No, not hidden tanks, sorry. Paper tanks. A lot easier than you would normally do. You know, precise. It's neat. There's the man himself. What? No, I cannot believe that. No coffee, you have like a smoothie?
Somebody brought that
to me. So there is your coffee there. It's like he always drinks his coffee. That's his coffee mug actually, that's what he holds right there. He's big. I love that grinder. It's really, really good grinder. I was just doing the video with Wilmon and I'm like, you guys should join together and just make the best grinder.
Well, yeah, I like the Wilmon guys, man.
It has, everything has like ups and downs. Like you have, both of them have, something is good, better on that one and something's better on that one. It's like, I said, the worst thing is that the only way to solve it is have one of each.
Yeah, well, you know, of course I'm partial to mine, but at the same time, when I'm no longer partial to mine, I'm going to change something, so I'm partial to it again.
Man, I love that thing. You should see all my tool rest and all these things that are not coated. It is so rusty.
Well, that's why you run the cool air up. Well, I'm not used to humidity. You know, we're like 10% humidity.
No, I just the water. I have to do what you said. Get the cool mist solution and change that instead of the simple green.
Just like a water soluble oil, you keep the rust and stuff.
Yeah.
So
that's what I gotta do.
Anyway, so when I sell a grinder, it'll come, it's 3,400, 2 horse variable speed, 10-inch flat, 8-inch contact, small wheel attachment, tool rest, everything works vertical. Yep.
He's coming with these cool ideas.
I mean, I have a surface grinder.
So you have your flat pattern or whatever kind of attachments you put on and the tool rest. And instead of marking around with the tool rest, you can just do the quick little thing with 2 of these strong magnets. You put it there and you just slide it. You know, it's actually pretty strong to give you, if you don't do the hard stuff, just to give you the basic guide. It's really quick to work with and collaborate, like you know, oriented. And you have whatever piece of steel you use, you can just do those cutouts for all different angles and all different attachments, all different diameters wheels. And you know, this is nothing. This is literally a scrap piece of steel, but you can use it real quick.
Oh, doing good, too.
See, you finally put an ad in Blade Magazine.
I love mine.
Yeah.
You're definitely gonna see more videos of me using it. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Definitely check out his work. He has some pictures on the website, and he has the videos showing all the little cool things you can do with that, especially that surface grinder is amazing.